abandoned in IRS Selkur. The biodiversity as Maheshwar Reserve. This is the mountain. The falls is going to is the Uttarakhand. The water elephant is enjoying in water. The lion is coming from cave for gathering earth food. The camel is eating the grass. The monkey is climbing a tree and resting in there. The tiger is eating wolf for the animal is carnivorous animal. The buffalo is eating the grass. The zebra is eating grass. The wolf is targeting the zebra. The lion is going to climbing a tree because the monkey in the up. The rhinoceros is drinking and water coming from the forest. The cat is seeing the all the biosphere reserve. The biosphere reserve means we are all save the world because animals are protecting in their area.
I am studying in 6th standard in IGRS LKG. My name is Jeevan. I am studying in 6th standard. I am studying in IGRS LKG. This is forest. There are so many types of trees, animals, birds, leaves, plants, and there are so many types of animals. Lion, tiger are eat only meat, and elephant, cow is only eat leaves, grasses, trees. What is forest? So forest is large area in made up by trees. India is a big country. Diversity in geography. Forest gives lots of oxygen. Forest helps keeps rain. There is no forest. There is no people.
Studying in 8th standard in IGRS Selkur, I talk about global warming. Global warming is the long-term rise in the Earth's average temperature, and it's caused by human activity.
Myself, Sukitra.
Myself, Rekshana. I am studying in 6th standard. Today I will learn about the topic name is Chandrayaan-3 information. Indian Spacecraft Research Organization (ISRO). Chandrayaan-3 is the name of the spacecraft. It was launched on June 14, 2023. In India Standard Time from this device used to Central Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. The entire spacecraft is continent of 3 parts: a lander, a rover, a polygon models. The entire spacecraft is loaded on launching vehicle. The launching vehicle name is LVM, 3-stage medium.
Welcome to all teachers. Today is Science Day. This is air pollution. I will open the cap, water coming here. I will close the cap, water don't coming. Science Day is marked to the common effective. Thank you.